Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Renita. Let's make egg masala today. Before we get started, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this recipe for your reference and let's get started. Add some coconut oil into your cooking pot and let the flame be low. This recipe works best if you use coconut oil. Add some cumin seeds and finely sliced onions. This is a very simple recipe which takes a very few ingredients compared to Indian masalas. Add some salt so that the onions may cook sooner. Also add some sugar so that the onions get caramelized as they cook. Keep stirring and frying onions until they turn golden. Now add thinly sliced tomatoes, mix it well and add additional salt so that the tomatoes cook well as well. Keep stirring and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on a low flame itself. Add some turmeric powder, red chilli powder and mix it well. Let everything get mashed well. At last, add boiled eggs. You can either add quarters, half or whole boiled eggs. That's it. Mix it well and cook it covered for 2 to 3 minutes more. If you want to make egg roast, you can further cook the same masala for 10 minutes without covering. I hope you found this recipe useful and you will try it as well. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.